What ingredients create the colorful layers in pop-up matcha drink stands? The colorful layers usually come from matcha, milk, fruit purees or juices, sweet syrups, and colorful toppings. Matcha creates the green layer because it is finely ground powdered green tea mixed with water. Milk or a milk alternative creates the pale, creamy layer beneath or above the matcha. Fruit purees, such as strawberry, mango, passion fruit, or peach, add bright colors and a sweet, tangy taste. Some stands use fruit juice or a flavored syrup instead of puree, but puree is thicker and makes the layers easier to see. A small amount of sugar syrup helps balance matcha's naturally earthy and slightly bitter flavor. Ice is important because it slows mixing and helps separate the liquids by temperature and thickness. Pouring each ingredient slowly over the back of a spoon can create clean layers, especially when the bottom drink is heavier and the matcha is lighter. A lesser-known detail is that coconut milk and oat milk often create stronger-looking layers because their texture is thicker than regular milk. To make one at home, add fruit puree first, fill the cup with ice, pour in milk slowly, and finish with whisked matcha. One common mistake is using too much water in the matcha, which makes it thin and causes the green color to spread quickly, so use only a small amount of warm water. Another mistake is pouring everything too fast, which mixes the colors, so pour gently over ice or the back of a spoon. Some people also think the layers last forever, but they naturally blend as the drink sits, so take a picture first and stir before drinking. Be careful with very hot water because it can make matcha taste harsh. Warm water works better. Also, fruit puree can be very sweet, so taste the drink before adding extra syrup. If you enjoyed the video, check out our online resources that can really help get your business started in the description below.